body and our mind, brain or psychological setup in different ways. We have different hormones and neurotransmitters in our brain, and when we are under stressful conditions, it tends to affect both the phases or both the aspects of our body and our mind. We would be facing certain disturbances which can be linked with feeling tired, feeling disturbances in our sleep, in our food, in our diet, in our lifestyle, in each and everything that we do on an everyday basis. The performance of the person in daily life might also get degraded or come low. Being mindful, accepting and being aware of stress that is in some way affecting our life, that's the first step in managing stress and de-stressing ourselves.